Everyone, welcome to our vlog. Thank you so much po for these blessings. Ayan, meron tayong half sack of rice. Thank you so much, sponsors. God bless your heart. More blessings to come. And syempre, more power on your YouTube channel. And sa lahat po ng, syempre, kinasakang kakapan, Ninang Grace's Vlog Tabibian, thank you so much for these blessings. Dahil po sa pagpapalaro nyo, ayan, nanalo po tayo. At sa lahat po ng mga sponsors, ayan, good luck and more power sa inyo pong mga channel. At sana po, mas marami pa kayong matulungan. At sana po, mas mag-grow pa ang inyong YouTube channel and good health always. Again, thank you so much. Advance Merry Christmas to everyone. Thank you po. God bless.